This is the solution video for the trick, find the card. Now, an important part about this trick is that you have a complete deck of cards. You need a deck of 52 cards. Anything less, anything more, and the trick will not work. Okay, let's begin. The trick starts with the spectator randomly removing 9 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, the spectator then selects one at random. Let's say the 3 of diamonds, puts it at the top, gives it back to the magician. Now this is important. The magician puts the cards at the bottom of the deck. Not at the top, they put it at the bottom. So if the spectator had 9 cards and put the selected card at the top, that means there are 8 cards underneath the selected card. Because the deck is 52 cards, and there are 8 cards underneath the selected card, that means the selected card is at the 44th position. 52 minus 8 is 44. So all this trick is a clever way to count to 44 in a way that seems random, but actually isn't. Let's see how it works. If I'm dealing 4 piles here, and I want to count to 44, I want each of these piles to cause 11 cards to be dealt. 11 times 4 is 44. Let's begin dealing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We matched at 6 here. Okay? Notice that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards dealt. And the 6 is the top card. So at the end of the trick, when I sum together the top card in each pile, I'll be summing a 6. Okay? 5 cards in the pile, plus a 6 at the end, that's 11 cards in total being dealt. For the second pile here, let's pretend that this is a 10. Let's say I matched a 10 here. I have 1 card dealt, and the 10 would cause 10 cards at the end of the trick to be dealt. 1 card here, plus 10 cards later, is 11. Let's say I had matched at 9. Let's say this is a 9. 2 cards in the pile. It's a 9, so 9 cards later, 2 plus 9 is 11. The trick works all the way down. 8 plus 3, this is a 7. 7 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 5 plus 6, 4 plus 7, 3 plus 8, 2 plus 9, 1 plus 10. So if it had matched at any one of those, the total number of cards being dealt would still be 11. Okay? Now, let's say it doesn't match anywhere. So, in this case, as the magician, you have 2 options actually. If you want, you can do as I did in the demonstration video, which is take the pile, flip it over, and we count it as 1. There were 10 cards dealt. We count it as 1 at the final sum. 10 plus 1 is 11. Your other option is to simply keep it face up, but cover it with an extra card here. Now there are 11 cards in this pile, and at the final sum, you count that as a 0. I actually prefer this method because this is a 0. It's not a 1. It's kind of weird to count as 1, but either way works. Let's see what happens with other 2 piles. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Didn't match. I'm going to do the method of covering it up. So now there's 11 cards in total in this pile, and it's a 0 in the sum. One more time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, it didn't match, unfortunately. So pick it up and cover it. So in this case, an unusual case because we had 3 times it didn't match, the total sum is 6. 6 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th card was the card at the beginning, the 3 of diamonds. The most important aspect of this trick is that there are 52 cards in the deck. The selected card is placed at the 44th position, and each of these piles causes 11 cards to be dealt.